Hello everyone. Currently it is in the high 40s, 2 days after Thanksgiving for me, but Christmas Day for you. So we are going to do a little fishing here, Mississinewa spillway. But I have prepared a year-end video of my first year on YouTube. So that's going to play while you see me fishing up in the corner, one of those, wherever I put it. So let's throw some shad out here. See if there's any kitties up here. The water's running pretty good. So let me get set up here, bring you back, and let's just see what happens here. So wish me luck. Merry Christmas. And
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun.
yeah,
Step two,
just check us out.
get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
First camping trip of the year. Very small setup, but things are going to get better from here. There's people out in a kayak catching a lot of bass. See if we can catch anything for a colder day. Ready for a shower. Water's nice, calm. Still quiet out here, except for the birds. Oh, got me. Well, I was trying to record and this thing about took my pole in the water, so there's one down. Pretty heavy. So we will, that was on the can't remember, strawberry or cherry flavored chicken, but yeah, we'll come back when there's another one. We have signs of life. might be an endangered species. We gotta be quiet. And I'm also getting a bite over here on this one. Something a little bitty thing. We don't scare off the wildlife. Gotta be quiet.
We got other visitor over here.
Who?
You.
Oh, I'm the Amish guy.
You're the Amish guy.
Yeah, I'm Amish.
He's out on his, what's it called?
Rumspringer.
Rumspringer, that's what it is.
He waited until he was 52 to do it, but better late than never, right?
Yeah. Run. Oh, you flipped over. Come on, you can do it. There you go.
Yeah. Don't you do it. Hey! You have to run off. You?
Come on. Come on. Freaking tired. Yeah.
Are you gonna catch anything today?
I guess not.
Little bitty thing.
Still bigger than a turtle.
Body slam. Graceful.
Everything's almost put up. You want to say hi? Yeah. Are you gonna miss us? Huh? You gonna miss us?
And you were starting to think I couldn't catch a fish. There's more than turtles in Indiana. Decent size for the creek. Pretty nice. Put up one good fight. That was on the chicken. We'll turn him back. See if we can't get any more.
I don't know if you can see it, but that's a pretty big one.
We're in here, yeah.
You got some pliers? I know. I got spiked.
Oh, you already have?
Yeah.
It only takes 1 or 2 times to learn that.
Oh.
He's out. Now he's breaded. You're ready to cook.
Alright.
He's not in the water.
You can do it.
He's probably just sitting here making a nice easy spot for two useless rods. We'll see. Yeah, I saw that. Put the shad everywhere over here.
Oh, is there? I'm not seeing any fall in here. Oh, it was yours.
Then you walk on one of the fish, little
Yeah.
dam.
Yeah.
Something just made a mud cloud over there by my hook. There he is. There he is. Uh-oh. Oh, man. That was big. And he wrapped around that tree.
As soon as he turned the camera off, like literally as soon as he turned the camera off.
And it's on the small pole.
Yeah.
And this is not a bluegill. I think it's closer to the bank than that. Oh man, he's a runner.
Can't even see what it is.
Not yet.
It's a cat.
Hey, we do have cats in here.
That's a big one too.
Okay, I don't have good test line on this pole, so
Oh boy.
we're gonna take a gamble or take a chance. There it goes. Broke it.
Oh, he's right there.
I think this is only a 6-pound test on this pole.
Still, well, there's a confirmation for if there's cats.
This line is so stretched. I gotta do some cutting on this one. Sun right in my eyes. Huh? What time you gotta be at work? Huh?
As soon as we're done.
Just whenever? I got running around to do. I don't even know what time it is.
Already 8:30.
8:30?
8:16.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I thought I had another snag.
Oh, he's fighting. Dang.
Hey, you got better and better. I'm here. I'll save you.
I think next time I want to set one of those up because they're not wanting this.
A little bit better.
Shiny.
You can't see it. Now you can.
Now give it a sniff.
That water's warm. He's warm.
Huh.
I don't know what bait to try. They're still alive. That stinks pretty good. Let's try that. Man. So when it gets dark, I don't know what I'll use my prop over here. Anyway, 80 degrees, 7 o'clock, maybe probably a little after by now. Oh yeah, she's rotten. She's stinky. Yucky. Falling apart. Very tender. Here we go. What do we got? Little crappie. That's a nice one. Calm down. Sun too bright. There we go. Little crappie. Not bad. Wrong way. Wrong way, dummy. Yeah, first spot was just garbage. Really windy today. I don't know if you saw that, but I had something on there. I got snagged it. Yeah. Down the honey hole. That was surprised. I thought I was snagged. Getting lazy. Tired of standing. Ryan's coming up later, so it won't just mean me and Willie. Oh, that's uncomfortable. Tries. That was cool. Got the taters steaming. I'll have to cut up that sausage here in a bit. Taters are boiling. Taters are boiling. I'm gonna cut this bad boy. Cut up the sausage. Get it cooking.
Well, it says easy open.
Yeah, I don't believe it. I think you glued the end shut on purpose. You like that knife, don't you?
Yeah.
I love that whole set.
Yeah, I need to get something like that one. Yeah.
What kind of flavors and seasoning do we want? I don't know. We have. Freezing this morning, though. Well, tomorrow night's supposed to get 32. I got everything around the house already winterized.
Luckily, I got starter. Remote start.
Yeah. Why did that move? That ghost.
Yeah, and of course, watching Halloween tonight, the new Halloween movie.
Water level usually up here at these weeds. It's way out here. What's about 16 foot? Out there. It's a bank. It's that guy's dock. Normally in the water. Completely out of the water. So I think we'll just drive around a couple different spots. Get you an idea how low the water is. So let me get this stuff back in the car and get back with you. Now we're at the boat launch. Look how low the water is here. How far down that dock has dropped. You can literally drive out here. We got 4 foot left of concrete there for the drop off. Yeah, that's pretty low. Don't be no fishing around here. Clear on the whole edge. I pulled up, the bass jumped right out there. This is a nice one. But they're way out there, I can't get to it. Oh, that was a nice hit. Let go. Yay. I knew that'd be more than one. Makes me feel better. Come on, calm down. About the same size as the other one. Yeah, got a baby. Aw. I guess there is a little baby fish out here. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. Supposed to be the end where they're at. on. Push down in the water. Got down to 40s already. Don't stand out here too long. Let's start catching them. Couple more. About to go with my full in. Losing my grip. I'm cold. Hands are cold. So, give it a shot. Farmer's done already. So, yeah, about that time. Switch gears. Want to do some cold weather camping, I think, for the rest of the winter. Unless I can find a nice warm day in February. Yeah, good luck with that. So let's do some stealth camping. Come back and see how we do that. Like I said, I already got one spot picked out. And yeah. Hit that subscribe button. See if you miss anything. I don't want you to miss anything. Yeah, so thanks for watching.
everybody, thanks for joining in, watching the my last like 7 months, I guess, of having a channel and watching the highs and lows and bloopers and whatnot. Oh, when I got here, there's a doe up on the spillway there. That's pretty cool. I didn't have the camera out then, but yeah, thanks for watching. See what we can come up with for next year. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Don't be scared. It's never gonna ask you for anything. It's free. But yeah, as I travel home, try to plan what I can come up with for next time. I knew once I got set up down there, I stopped and got some shad to throw out there for catfish. And wouldn't you know it, tons of dead shad floating down the river. I don't know if you saw the seagulls or not, but they were picking them out of the water. But we're going to head home. It's been a bit, so I appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you sometime in the future. So thanks for tuning in.